So guys, this is Jacob. Tinitingnan natin kung ilan yung views. Ito naman si Kelian, si Calbotis Kamatis. Ay, okay. Gusto mo magtaas?
Ba't ka na naman? Bawal ka na makin dyan.
Eto kasi! Aray!
Naku. Umas kayo dyan!
Bakit?
Kaya dyan!
Eto si Kelian. So, if you do not know Jacob Clydem Cabangon, watch his videos because
Jacob Zane.
Jacob Zane. So, this is Kelian, guys. Woo! Kelly Calbotis Kamatis, si Kelboy.
May playlist ka ba?
Ano yung playlist?
Bang, look at this thing. I'll show you something.
Alam ko
Dapat
yan,
ito yung gagawin natin eh.
Tignan nyo to. Ate, ulit, ipapakita ko kay isa, guys.
Nagpapakalim na siya. Oh, ang sayo pala.
Sumasayaw si Kelian.
Guys, namatay yung lolo.
Ha? Ulit nga, hindi ko nakita.
Inila.
Ayan guys, tapos ito si Kilboy, Calbotis, Kamatis.
May post ka? May post?
Anong post? Anong post? Ate, oy! Ate, ulitin nga natin ulit yan. Ate, yung
No na.
please, nagsasayaw si Kilboy. Ay! Ito si Kelian. Nagwawala.
Trying to silence me, anxiety, take it off from me. Somebody's watching me.
Wow.
Body's watching me. Here's my anxiety.
Ay! Okay, that is it for today. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Bye!